Okay, so we've got our bobbin. We've got our bobbin casing. Okay, and you'll see on the top of the bobbin casing, there's this funny little looking thing. Well, it kind of catches the thread. Okay, so with your bobbin and the thread hanging down to the left, you pop it on that pointy out bit there, little spindle, and then you simply thread the thread through until it catches, and you can see it's now caught in the middle of that. Okay, so what we have to do is, if we hold this little lever at the back here, we can pop that in and make sure it's in the catch at the top where that finger is. Okay. Okay, so now we need to thread the actual sewing machine. So I've gone with bright pink so that you can see it properly, and also this is more the size of spool that you're probably going to use. Okay, so I pop it on the spool spindle there. I run it across to the thread guide. Okay, and then down. Okay, let me just adjust this. And then you're threading it down past the tension guide, so it gets caught in between the thin little metal plates that are in there. Okay, and then down, up, back up through the thread uptake lever. Now some of the older models will have it, this one is open at the back, so you can just literally slip it in. Some of them are not open, so you have to thread it through. Okay, and then back down through a little hook there. Okay, I'm going to raise my needle slightly. Okay, and then I'm going to thread it. Let's see if I can do it, because my eyesight is not what it was. Oh, bang on. First time. Okay, so just slip it through past the presser foot there. Okay, and then if I just turn the balance wheel, I lift up the bobbin thread, and there you have it. You have threaded your sewing machine ready to sew.